Hi, I'm Jim Bristow. I'm the Deputy Director for Science Programs at DOE's Joint Genome Institute. And I'm here today to tell you about JGI's Community Sequencing Program, or CSP. The Community Sequencing Program gives access to high-throughput DNA sequencing, analysis of DNA sequence, and recently DNA synthesis for investigators who have questions of interest in DOE mission areas. Every year we make available over half of our capacity to new proposals that are reviewed through a standard NIH-like review process. Our current cycle is open now, and we're accepting letters of intent through our website at jgi.doe.gov. But most of our investigators value our input on project design, the exact way that the sequencing and subsequent analysis is carried out. And we work with investigators from start to finish to make sure that the project objectives are met. Most projects occur over the course of 1 to 2 years, and we have an annual cycle that's open now. The first and most important element of all proposals is their scientific excellence. That's our primary review criteria. A proposal that's supported by a number of support letters and has a number of people who say that they will be able to use the data if it can be generated. Very helpful for reviewers. We are not able to entertain proposals that have a primary biomedical or human health related element to them. So your best bet is to focus on DOE relevant issues. You can find links to DOE mission areas on our website. This year's community sequencing program is asking for projects in specific project areas of particular interest to us and to BER. The first area of interest are JGI's flagship plant genomes. These are grass genomes of particular interest for biofuels creation. The second area of investigation is a continuing focus on diversity of microbes on the planet. A third area of interest is carbon cycling, particularly in terrestrial environments. Well, we know a lot about carbon cycling in the oceans. We know much less about the carbon cycling and other nutrient cycling in terrestrial environments. A fourth area of interest for this year's community sequencing program is biodesign and DNA synthesis. We're looking for projects specifically that require the construct of large pieces of DNA to either understand gene function or to combinatorially look at metabolic activities and transfer them from one organism to another. So a fifth and final focus for this year's community sequencing program is a joint call with the Environmental Molecular Sciences Laboratory. These proposals will use the capabilities existing at both institutions, sequencing and analysis capabilities at JGI, and combine them with proteomic, computational, or imaging capabilities that exist at EMSL. You can find out more details about EMSL's capabilities at the website you see on the screen. For each of these areas, you can find additional details on our website, but you should also feel free to contact me at jbristow@lbl.gov. Proposals should be preceded by a letter of intent that can be submitted electronically and is due at JGI by April 8th, 2013. We'll let you know whether to submit a full proposal within the next month, and full proposals are due on May 27th. Proposals will be reviewed over the summer with an anticipated notification date for approvals by the end of this fiscal year, September 30th, 2013. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to seeing your letters of intent by April 8th. And in the meantime, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.